Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we're going to do a BloomChic try on, so let's get into this and check it out. BloomChic is online shopping. I think they have some of the cutest clothes and I have had the best luck shopping with them. I have shopped with them with my own money. These were sent to me for review, so I will put my link and my code down below to take you over to their site and check them out, and it is a discount code. They do sizes 10 to 30, so they are considered mid-size to plus size. And what attracted me to them, and let me read this to you so that I'm sure to say it correctly, because I remember when I read it, I thought that's fantastic. As a brand, we're committed to reimagining, to creating a world in which barriers are dismantled, every body type is celebrated, and every woman has access to style, comfort, and choice. That's really important to me as a plus size girly. I generally waver between a 14 and an 18. I am at the high end of that now. I think most of these, I think I got 1 and 2X's. I'll let you know as we go along. But it says they believe every individual, regardless of their body shape or size, deserves to feel valued, confident, and beautiful. We believe in celebrating the uniqueness of each individual. We believe in the power of fashion as a tool for empowerment. We believe in creating spaces in which mid and plus size women feel safe, supported, and inspired. We believe in using our brand as a vehicle for social change and a more inclusive society. Okay, let's see what I've got. This is my bundle of goodies. Look, I even have a little bit, not a lot, but I have a little bit of color in there. You know, my inclination is just to order all things black. I know, I'm wearing a green shirt today. Actually, I came up in a t-shirt to be comfortable because I knew I was gonna spend the next hour trying on clothes, and you know that makes your girl hot. First out, this is one of the tops that I ordered. I thought it had kind of a boho chic, summery, I don't know, something about it I really liked. And it is so pretty. Isn't it kind of boho chic? We'll try all of these on in just a second. I worry this does not look very wide. I wonder what size I ordered it in. This is the 18-20 though, and it says that it is stone, wheat, and purple, and it is 100% rayon. So it feels just really silky and smooth. Okay, we'll try that on. Ooh, this is a dress that I ordered and it is so soft. Wow, I love the way this feels. It's so soft. It is a black and white. They call it tie-dye, I suspect because of the design of the white stripe, but it's just a dress and it has an elastic waist. I am really pleased with the fabric on it. It is 95 poly, 5% span. So it has a little to it that'll make it fit really nicely. I thought this was so cute, and just with t-shirts underneath it. I don't know if it's something I would wear out of the house, but I thought I would love it around the house. And it's just kind of a black oversized dress, but it has the little buckles and you can just put a t-shirt under it. I brought a white t-shirt up to put under it. It feels really nice. Is that cotton? It is 100% cotton. So I like that. Okay, next, this is the t-shirt that I chose. It is the Moon and Star Print t-shirt. It's just a cute, I could wear this under that dress if I wanted. Although, why would you cover up the cuteness of those moons and stars? I just thought there was something about it just for a casual t-shirt with maybe a front tuck. It was a v-neck and I do love a v-neck. And it is super soft. It is 61% poly, 33% rayon, 6% span. So it's got some give in it too. This is fun. I can't wait to try everything on. Next, we have another dress. I have a couple of parties coming up that I thought I could use cute little summer dresses for. Plus, how comfortable is a dress? You wake up, you throw a dress on, you don't have to make a shirt or a pants decision. This is a bandana print, and it's a nice v-neck with a flutter sleeve, and it has an elastic waist, I think. Yeah, and it's just really cute. Can't wait to try this one on. I think it's even lined in the skirt. And that is, by the way, 100% polyester. And next, this is I think it's a longer skirt. Yeah, it is also a v-neck because I do love a v-neck. It has the wider elastic at the waist. And yeah, she's a long, I think she also has a really awesome slits up the side. And this is 98 poly, 2% span. So let's get into all of these. This is the Moon and Stars t-shirt. How cute is that? I love the little design. I love the v-neck. Love a v-neck. The sleeve length is okay with me, but oh my gosh, it is like a full tunic length. I put on leggings so you guys could see, but my biscuits, I mean, It's hitting at the bottom of my biscuits. This is like a full coverage. This is a 2X. And like I said, I am in my 18 range now. Bring it in closer and show you guys. Oh yeah, you guys can see the moon and stars of it and the V-neck. It is so cute, and oh my gosh, it is so comfy. They consider it low stretch because they tell you whenever you choose something, they tell you whether it's something that they consider high stretch or low stretch, and they consider this low stretch. But I'm here to tell you, it's plenty stretchy, so very comfortable. Okay, let's try on the other top while I have my pants on, and then we'll move on to the dresses. How cute is this? This one fits like grown-up clothes. There's no stretch into it. It is 100% rayon. It's got that nice 3/4 sleeve with a ruffle on the end, and it has this kind of a lacy applique in it. Kind of gives it a bohemian look, which is what I was going for. I just thought with a cute pair of jeans, just something other than a t-shirt that would kind of dress it up just a little bit. I will say, this is a 2X. I think I bought all of this in 2Xs. I was feeling fluffy that day, I guess. But this fits. And I would say if you want it with any kind of give, whatever size you are, I would size up one in this. I mean, it fits me. And it probably fits me like most grown-ups wear clothes. I mean, it's a nice fit. Can you guys tell? It's got a good length on it and everything. There's plenty of room. I hate even pointing this out because there's plenty of room. But I am one of those people that wears all of my clothes just a little loose so I don't feel hot. I worry about my arms. This is a little bit snug in my arms, but that is a me problem. That is 100% a me problem. Since the weight loss, my arms are much bigger than the rest of my body. I do like that this kind of flares, so it's kind of flattering. Here, let's bring you in closer. So you can see the print on it. It's kind of muted and yet still very colorful. It's kind of a tealish sort of base, and it's got pinks and oranges and yellows, but they're all kind of that 70s muted feel, but it is super cute. Okay, let's get into the dresses now. This one was on top, so we're trying it first. It has side seam pockets. It is a nice V-neck. It is a dolman sleeve. It's about a half sleeve. I love it. I love this style on me. If you guys watch the channel, you know that I did an Amazon one of these. This was much less expensive. That I liked also, that I thought looked great on me, and watch. Slit, but not too much, just enough to show a little leg. Here, I'll back up so you can see. It is, I am 5'6". Can you guys tell how long it is? This is great coverage. My bra is actually here, so you're not going to bend over and have your business out. There is a little extra space in here. You could be much more full in your bosoms, and you would have plenty of space. I love the look of it. It's just super comfortable. This will be perfect for summer. You could wear this with flip-flops. I could put on a pair of flip-flops and run to the grocery store. I could put on a pair of heels and head out to dinner. It is adorable. I am super happy with the fit. This is a 2X. I may have to start saying I'm a 2X until I take off a little more weight. I'll bring you in close. It came in several colors. This is the color that I chose. I will let you know in a second what color that was. I think maybe cerulean. But this is the color I chose. It came in black. It is super cute. I like it a lot. What do you guys think? Be sure to let me know down below what you think. I like it, right? Tell me about this. I have a shower coming up at the end of August, and it's outside, and it's for a boy. I could totally wear this with some cute little sandals, right? And I'll be cool. It's good enough for that, right? Let me know what you think. Okay, next dress. This might be what I want to wear to the baby shower. How pretty is this? By the way, that last dress was in cerulean. This one I got in Aegean. It also came in white with nice blue here. All of this was blue, but I'm a little piglet, and I decided I would probably be better in blue than white. But look how cute this is, right? How does the print look on my biscuits? I was afraid it would be like, look, print on my biscuits, but I don't think it does, right? Super cute and short. It makes me want to do this. Does it make you want to do that? Okay. Anyway, I can be profesh. This is so pretty. They say it is a short sleeve. They call it a bandana knee dress because it hits you, and it does me, so I must be the perfect height. Right at the knee. I am, again, 5'6". I will just keep saying that. This is so comfortable. When you first put it on, it feels like maybe it's going to be a little snug in the waist, but it's totally not. Once you get it there, it is completely comfortable. I think this is so cute. I think this might be what I wear to the shower. Let me know what you think. Which one do you think I look better in? You keep in mind, it's gonna be August. It's gonna be outside. I like it. Okay, something about this makes me feel like, I wonder if it'll spin. Okay, on to the next dress. Oh my gosh. I love this. I could not love it more. I was afraid that it would be big. I should have known. But this is my own white t-shirt, so you can put anything under it you want. I thought about a tank top, but you know how self-conscious I am of my arms. Look how good that fits under the arms. Oh my gosh. That is amazing. And it's cute with its little adjustable straps. That's what they call them, adjustable straps. I call them overall straps. But this is just a nice black cotton. They call it a midi. I'm going to keep backing up to show you and mention again. I'm 5'6". Is this a midi? On me, I think it's a maxi. I'm not saying it's slimming. I'm not saying that this is a slimming dress. It's got that flowy, but it's also not touching me anywhere. It has pockets. I mean, pockets. It is so comfortable. It's just 100% cotton. You can put it over anything you want. A cute little t-shirt, a cute little tank top. Technically, I think I could wear it with nothing. You'd have to work out your bra strap if you have to wear bras. You'd have to work out your bra strap because right here you have nothing, but it is so cute and comfortable. I questioned myself a million times because it is big. It's just big, but I don't think it makes me look huge. I think it's kind of adorable. You couldn't belt it because of the, could you? No, you wouldn't belt it. But I think it's cute. I said, no, there's no way I would ever leave the house in this. I think I would. Let me show you. Let me get in really close and show you guys. There's texture. Can you guys see the texture of it? It's 100% cotton, but it almost feels like a gauze. It's heavier than a thin gauze, but the feel of the fabric when you go like this, the texture of it almost feels like a gauze. This is another one I am very, very happy with. Again, this is my white t-shirt. When you order it, you just get the dress. Okay, we've got one more dress. Let me put it on. This feels amazing. It is so soft and comfortable. It's just this nice black, I think it was 100% polyester. Hold on, I'll be back. I'll check. I'm back. This was the 95 poly 5 span. Just for the record, can you guys see this hits me like, it's technically right below the knee, right at the knee. For me, this feels naked. I understand that it's not, and it would be perfectly acceptable to wear it out for summer outside. I never take this much of my leg out. I don't know why, it's fine. But just for reference, this is considered a midi, and so is the dress you just saw me in with the straps that came to almost my ankles. That was considered a midi also. So I'm not sure what it takes to be considered a midi. This has pockets. Did I talk about the pockets? It is so soft. They call it light stretch, but she stretches. I mean, there's some definite stretch in here. I love the V-neck. It's a little bit, here, let's get in closer. Are we close now? It's a little bit of a rolled sleeve. Can you see it's a rolled sleeve there? I like kind of where it hits. I think, oh look, it has a tie. I don't think it really ties. It's just a string, but now it looks kind of finished. I thought it would be perfect for, like, we get invited to pool parties all the time, and let's be honest, I'm not putting this in a bathing suit in front of family and friends and then their friends, but so I'm always looking for something cool and cute to wear, and I think this is adorable. I did check, all of these are 2X's, and you've seen how they all fit me. I would say right now I am probably an 18. They fit lovely. I will put the names of everything down below. I will put my link. In case you guys were wondering what I'm saying, how can I show you? Probably easier to show you like this. It's BloomChic. That's what I've been saying. They do sizes 10 to 30. I love them. I have ordered from them probably 3 times on my own, and I think this is my second review that I have done for them. I just find their clothes to be really comfy. They fit me well. Normally I do a 1X. Apparently this time I'm a 2X. We're working on that. Wherever you are, they will meet you there. And everything I tried on today was so comfortable, and they explain everything so well on their website. So I would say true to size, except that shirt that I tried on, and I understand most of you would be like, it fits perfectly. And if you feel like that, don't size up. But if you, like me, like your clothes a little looser, I would say on that one shirt, size up. Thank you so much for coming by today. If you have any questions about this, let me know below. I'm happy to answer any questions that you might have. I want to thank BloomChic for sending all of these comfy clothes over. I am an affiliate with BloomChic. I have let you know up in the corner in the beginning, but I don't know if I remember to say it, so I will say it again. Affiliate! This is an affiliate link that I will put down below for you. I love them, and I love to have pockets. Yes, I am that girl. I don't know why. I don't put many things in my pockets. I guess it's just a stance. Like if you're at a party, like I've got a drink and a pocket. How you doing? I feel silly now. Okay. Thanks again for coming by. If you don't already subscribe, I hope you will consider doing so. Please like and hit that notification bell so you'll know when we have more videos coming out. And I will see you again really soon. Take care, guys.